Hey guys, and welcome back. So in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this XGIMI Halo 1080p portable projector for all outdoors for movie nights. It has a great built-in Wi-Fi audio focus, audio keystone correction, and it also is equipped with Android version 9. Alright, so today we have received our Halo. This is a true 1080p portable projector for the outdoors. I had purchased this because we are going to do a little bit of more movie time outside, being that it is starting to get cooler outside. It does have Google Voice Assistant in here. It has a great surround sound system. It's got project to 1080p. The great thing also is got autofocus. It has a wide range of cinematic rich colors and brightness. The brightest portable projector ever. So this has Android TV, which is version 9, so you can download apps onto this. I actually purchased this because I have a Fire Stick and I intend to connect my Fire Stick on this. But if you do not have one, you can actually download the apps directly onto this projector. It does have 2 GB of memory and 6 GB of storage, so it'll enhance your life anywhere at any time. So you get a little information booklet here on how to set up your Google, how to download apps. It is trusted by more than 1.5 million users globally. So the Android 9, it has a 1080p, which also includes 800 lumens. This can go up from 100 inches all the way up to 300 inches. And you can see the device itself is super small and lightweight. On the bottom you have some accessories, which includes the remote control and the charger. You do not have to have it plugged into the charger. I think it gets about 2 hours on the battery, but if you'd like to have it running on the charger, you can do that as well. So here is a remote control that does not come with any batteries. It uses a standard 2 AAA batteries. So it does have a intelligent autofocus, easy reset, knowing that the Halo automatically focuses the images whenever you turn it on. I will show you that later in the video. It does have crisp and clear displays at all times. So it has a vertical 40 inches and a horizontal 40 inches. So you got your back, your home, your volume up, you got your round button, you got your Google Assistant, you got your menu. So this is what the remote looks like. It does take 2 AAA batteries, which are not included. So this has an automatic vertical plus 40 inch and a manual horizontal plus 40 keystone correction, which eliminates the trouble of setting up your projector display. The power on, you can enjoy optimal images in seconds. You can create a memorable outdoor moments. So if you're at the beach or you're at a pool area, you can actually watch movies, games, you can watch sports. So in this little box right here, you do get the adapter that goes to the charger, which in the other one, you do get the charger. This one actually plugs into the back of the projector and into the wall. So here is your user manual. This just tells you everything about it, that it has a DC plug on the back. It's got an audio, an HDMI, and it's got a USB port. On the top, you got a volume down, play, pause, and volume up. And then there is your power button, your headphones, your HDMI, USB, and then the power button. On the bottom, it has like a little tiny stand. If you have a tripod or something, you can actually set this on a tripod. It's got the screw-in bottom. And then it's got the speakers on the side. So it has the built-in Android. The Halo's entertainment is powered by an official Android version 9 with Android TV, so you can watch all your favorite movies and TV shows such as Netflix, Hulu, HBO Max, Amazon Prime. Alright, so this is what it looks like on hands-on. We're just going to grab it, turn the power button on. Got to push and hold it down. You'll see a blinking light right here at the top. So it's getting ready to turn on. And again, it has automatic focusing. So when I put the video on, since I moved it around, it's going to automatically focus. You'll get like a screen. It should pop up any second. And then right there, it's actually focusing. Anytime you move it, it'll automatically focus. So now it's telling me to connect to the remote control, which I have done that already. So now it's asking to set up our Android. Like I said, it has Android version 9. We're going to set it up. I have to go on my phone and set this up. So now this is with it being dark, and then I'll turn my lights back on so it looks as well as it does at nighttime. This is with a really bright light. So now it's auto-focusing again. So now it says make the most of your TV. You sign in. You can either add more apps, or you can grab it from your last Android device to add those same apps onto this projector. That's what it's asking you right there. Now it's going to tell you how to use the Google Assistant.
Okay, Google, what can you do?
You can ask me things like,
Play some music.
play Master of None.
Youngtown, population Viv.
Show me other TV shows set in New York.
Tell me about the third one.
Here's some information about Luke Cage.
Open Netflix.
Open Google Play Movies. Is it like a picture?
Open HBO. Pause. How many episodes are in Game of Thrones?
There are 67 episodes.
And what's on my agenda for today?
There's nothing on your calendar.
Unpause.
Winter is coming.
Show me pictures from winter break.
Search YouTube for videos of dogs wearing people clothes.
What's the forecast for today?
There's a 95% chance of precipitation.
Great. Play Narcos.
Play Insecure.
Glow.
Orange is the new black. The Crown.
Play Stranger Things.
Dim the lights.
So right now we're going to scroll down to one of the apps called YouTube, and I'm going to play something so you can see the speakers that are on board of this projector, and then I will Bluetooth another Bluetooth speaker. So let's just go to one of my videos. So let's just go to the projector screen. I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing this projector screen. It is an outdoor movie screen. So this is perfect for this projector. 120 inches. So now here is the ports. I'm going to connect my Fire Stick into the back of my projector. So I'm just going to plug it into this HDMI port, and then I'm going to turn it on. So instead of using the power plug, I'm going to use the USB port on the back of this projector to power up the Fire Stick. So now it's got the Fire TV logo. We're just waiting for that to load, and as soon as it loads, we'll go ahead and click on an app to play a TV show and a movie. Let's go to this freebie that is offered by Amazon themselves. So they do have a lot of movies and TV shows in here. We're going to click on one of my favorites called Unsolved Mysteries. And then they have Forensic Files, so we're just going to wait for that to load. And you can hear the speakers on this.
Presented by
So it is presented by FilmRise, which is also on YouTube.
This program is about unsolved mysteries. Whenever possible, the actual family members and police officials have participated in recreating the events. What you're about to see is not a news broadcast.
Tonight on Unsolved Mysteries, San Quentin Prison. Once you enter, it is unlikely you will leave.
Alright, so now I'm going to add an accessory, which is an external speaker. So the one I have is called 808X Helix. I actually have a review of this on my channel on YouTube. So it's going to pair with that, and then I will play the same video using my accessory speaker, which is the Helix. Now that it's paired, we're going to go back into Freebie. It's going to auto adjust because I moved it. So we're going to play the same video of Unsolved Mysteries.
Tonight on Unsolved Mysteries, San Quentin Prison. Once you enter, it is unlikely you will leave.
So now we're going to go and try a movie. Here's Hotel Transylvania 2.
Oh, this'll be fun.
And as you can see, this is just a little feet away from the screen. I have a green screen on the background. So it is super loud regardless if you have an external speaker or you use the speaker that comes with the projector. I personally like the external speaker, although the internal one is very nice. It is super loud. It looks good regardless if it's bright or if it's dark in the screen. It kind of looks a little weird because it's on the background of the green screen. If you're looking for a super nice bright projector that also has Android version 9 included, I would highly recommend this one. I just received this yesterday and I already love this, and this is just showing the video off of my wall that is not included a screen for it. So I mean, it does come with the remote control, you got the charger. It does not come with a case, which is very saddened, but you can purchase a case with no issues. I mean, this is not too big. You could put it on a tripod, a table, or whatever you like. You can actually put it directly on the floor if you want to look on the ceiling and watch a movie. This goes from 100 inches all the way up to a 300-inch screen. I highly recommend this one, especially if you're looking for a nice, bright, crisp, and clear projector.